subscribe my channel right now and also press the bell icon button for the latest notifications.
Very good morning to all of you. My name is Rajneesh, and welcome to you all for the online classes on Master G Rajneesh Tyagi. Dear students, and today we will start a new paragraph of the chapter The Sound of Music. Here we go. She never looked back from that point onwards. That is the determination, and that is the positive point of that girl, that she does not want to look backwards anyway. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, that time she was only 16 years old when she joined an orchestra in United Kingdom. She had decided to make music her life, and she has decided that she will be definitely a musician, and she will definitely devote her life to the music. She has chosen that music is my life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. And she went for the audition in that academy, and you will be surprised that after even she was physically not fit and fine, she was handicapped, and she has got one of the highest marks in the Royal Academy of United States. So it was the history. It was a history created by that girl, and she was just only the 16 years old that time. And after having so many problems physically, she was able to have the highest scores in that history. So you can get the inspirations from that girl, that she has proved herself. She gradually moved from orchestra work to solo performances, and even after the member of the orchestra, she was also going for the solo performances, and she was having a chance to prove herself, and she proved all the time. And the end of her 3 year course, she had captured most of the top awards. And during the 3 years course of that academy, she has captured and she has got so many awards for herself, and she has won the heart of the people. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Dear students, this is the inspiration and the motivations to all. That this is the thing given by that girl, that if you're determined to your work and you feel, you think that this is my way and I really want to get it at any cost, definitely you will be there. It doesn't matter what kind of the circumstances and the conditions you have right now. Thing is that you are determined to you work or not. If you are determined, definitely you will be getting your chance, definitely you will be getting your achievements, definitely you will be getting your destiny. But it depends on you that you are working hard or not. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi uh, personality, with the mastery of some thousand instruments and hectic international schedule. It is uh, regulating the watch Evelyn functions so effortlessly without hearing. And you cannot feel when that girl performs on the stage that she is a diva, or she has any problem with her body, or she is she is physically not fit and fine. You cannot judge. Even she looks very easy, she looks like the other girl, she looks very comfort with her music, because she chosen that field because she loved it. The things is that, dear students, that if you love the things, and if you are going to get anything in your life and you really want to get it, you really want to achieve it, then love it. And always go for those things. What is your favorite, what do you want to be in your life? Then definitely you will be a successful person in your life, just like that girl. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. Men with bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. And she said so many times that men was the medium of the difficulty in my life. But I never stop. I was keep going on, and I was always trying to prove myself, and I was always very successful because of that, because I was determined to my work. So, dear students, this is the inspiration to all of you. Like that girl, she has proved herself in the musical academy or musical Royal Academy in United States by the age of 16. At the age of 16 years, she proved herself, and she has won so many awards during the course of the 3 years, and proved herself always. She was also going for the solo performances because of that hard work. So dear student, you should also go for the hard work. You should determine to you work. You should think about your destiny. Definitely you will be a successful person in your life if you really think like about that girl. So it was the explanation of the day regarding this paragraph, the sound of music. We will meet in the next video. We will meet with a new paragraph. Till then, take care, have a great day. Bye bye.